Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage customer relationships with HubSpot. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Contacts tab located in the top menu. Click on Contacts in the drop-down menu to access your list of contacts. In this section, you can view all your customer relationships. To add a new contact, click on the Create Contact button on the right-hand corner. Fill in the required fields such as first name, last name, email address, and any other relevant information. Once you've filled out the information, click on Create Contact to save. Next, it's important to categorize your contacts for better management. You can do this by assigning labels or tags to each contact. Click on the contact's name to open their profile. Scroll down to the Contact Properties section. Here, you can add notes or relevant details about the customer. Make sure to update this information regularly. To nurture your customer relationships, utilize the Notes feature. Click on Notes within the contact profile and add summaries of your interactions. This provides context for future communications. Another effective way to manage relationships is through HubSpot's email sequences. Navigate to the Sequences tool in the left sidebar. Create a new sequence to automate follow-up emails. Add personalized messages that can be scheduled based on your interactions. After setting up your sequence, choose the contacts you want to include. Then activate the sequence for sending. Additionally, use the Tasks feature for reminders. Create tasks for follow-ups or important deadlines. This keeps you organized and ensures no customer is overlooked. Furthermore, evaluate your customer interactions through the Reports feature. Go to the Reports tab to analyze engagement metrics. Here, you can track how effectively you are managing relationships. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.